Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Today on this sunny Wisconsin summer afternoon, I'm going to take you through the assembly of a 42-inch, or actually it might be a 48-inch Agri-Fab rear drag behind tined dethatcher. This is something you pick up at most of the farm implement stores for around $150, depends on the deal you'll get. But if you don't dethatch your lawn, you're not letting your lawn reach its full potential. So today we're going to go through this Agri-Fab assembly, and I'm going to show you start to finish what it takes to put this thing together. Okay, there it is, the Agri-Fab 48-inch Tine dethatcher. The model number on this one is 45-0295. I picked it up at Fleet Farm, and I don't remember the exact price, but I'll put it on the bottom of the screen for you to see. But let's go ahead and open this up and see what it has inside and figure out what tools we need to put it together. Okay, just held together by a couple pieces of tape. The box has the big 4-foot long tray, and that tray will support up to 70 pounds. So if you want to put a cinder block or something to kind of weigh the dethatching tines down so they really dig into your turf and get up all that old interwoven dead material. It comes with a bag for all the accessories, a couple of non-pneumatic tires, and the steel looks like it's pretty heavy deal, the heavy duty flat steel, and the spring iron for all the tines seems sturdy enough. I'm going to open up the hardware package and look at the instructions, and we'll go ahead with the first step. Pretty simple to put it together. Looks like probably about an hour's worth of work tops. You need a couple of wrenches, 2 1/2-inch wrenches, 9/16 inch wrench, an adjustable wrench, and a Phillips head screwdriver or a punch. The first step is pretty easy. We're just going to go ahead and follow the directions to, hang on, let me find the English directions. We are going to, number 1, assemble the lift plate to the top of the tine shield using 4 hex bolts and their nylon lock nuts. So we're going to use that black metal square in the back and attach it to the middle of the lift plate. Boy, when the sun comes out, it gets bright out here. So all the other steps, I'm just going to go quick time on this, and we'll see how long it takes. Okay, we're all done putting together the Agri-Fab 48-inch tined dethatcher. Total probably an hour, hour and a half. I had to quit and come back a second day because it did rain overnight, and the weather turned inclement on me. But not terribly difficult. About 15 bolts, all 1 inch. The tines snap into place, and you bend the tabs over. That makes them secure but not immobile because they have to give so you don't tear it. Nice spring steel. The weak point right now to me looks like these little vinyl and plastic, non-pneumatic, so there's no air in them, little yard tires. But everything else seems real solid, not incredibly complex. Just make sure you keep all the bolt heads on the top tray so you don't have any bolts sticking out, because up here you're going to put your cinder blocks or your weights to give it a little dig into the yard to really get at that thatch and dethatch it right. Tools on this one, you really just need an adjustable wrench, maybe a socket to help you out, and a screwdriver to bend these tines to hold the spring steel in there. But that's about it. No real secrets to do it, so give yourself 90 minutes to put it together and you won't be frustrated. Do it in the shade, help yourself out, and get ready to do some yard cleanup after this thing rips up the thatch. That's it. That's the Agri-Fab 48-inch Dethatcher.